In today's video, I'll be showing y'all how I make chicken and rice. Hello YouTube, welcome back to Cooking with Sugar. The ingredients I will be using will be boneless, skinless chicken breast, chicken broth, and some cream of chicken, and some jasmine rice. The seasonings I will be using will be some seasoning salt, and this basil and oregano, garlic sea salt. Okay, let's get started on the rice first. Okay, ideally you want to use this measuring cup for dry ingredients and this one for wet. Okay, now I'm going to measure out 4.5 cups of liquid because I'm doing the 12 serving size. Okay, while the chicken broth is coming to a boil, I'm going to measure out my rice. Now you can use water instead of chicken broth, but it's more flavor with the broth. And I'm going to use 3 cups of rice. Let's get our last cup. Okay, you level it off, and you have 1 cup. If you go over, you got more than a cup. Okay, I have 5 chicken breasts here. Okay, and what I'm going to do is cut some of the fat off. We're going to half these. So it'll be like I got 10 chicken breasts. Okay. Okay, and normally this recipe, well, I can't say normally, but majority of the people use whole chicken pieces, you know, with the bone in, with the skin on and all that good stuff for the flavor. That's the way my mama would do it. That's the way she used to do it. But listen, they always used to tell you be careful for the bones and stuff, right? So this is eliminating the bones. Okay? And so you cut it at an angle, you can get some of the fat off without losing a lot of your meat. And I'm just going to cut these in bite-sized pieces. So whatever bite-size means to you, if it's that big or that big, you go for it, okay? It's all up to you. Okay, now that our chicken broth is boiling, I'm going to add the rice. And I'm going to stir it. Then I'm going to turn it on low for 15 minutes to simmer. And I'm not going to touch it until the 15 minutes is up. Okay? I forgot to mention to place a cover on the pot, okay? Okay, now that I have my rice on, I can go ahead and get started with my chicken. Okay, and I'm going to add some Land O'Lakes light butter with canola oil to the pan. About that much. Okay, you can see my pan is already hot. Okay, now I'm going to add my seasonings to the bottom of the pan. Y'all know how I do my 4 so they can begin to, you know, mingle with the butter. Okay. Okay. Add the chicken. Pan could be hotter, but it's okay. Then once we try to even it out some, we're going to add some seasoning on top of it. Like that. You see, I may have used a lot of seasoning on the chicken. It's because I did not put no salt, no butter in my rice. I'm just going to let the chicken broth flavor my rice. Okay? Like this. You just want to keep stirring it until it's no longer pink. Okay, now I'm going to add my cream of chicken. Now you can add a little chicken broth or water to this to loosen it up some. If you don't want it thick like this, okay. And make sure you taste this to see if is it seasoned to your liking. If not, this is the time to add more seasoning. Okay, look how fluffy the rice is. See that? It's that color because I cooked it in chicken broth instead of water, so it has that little tan, beige, whatever color y'all want to call it, to it. Okay, we're just gonna add it to our chicken. Okay, now we're just gonna mix it all together like that. You got your chicken and rice. And see, my mama used to use cream of mushroom. It's delicious that way also, but my kids, look at me making a mess, does not like mushrooms, so that's why I'm making a big mess. That's why they don't, that's why I don't use cream of mushroom. And like I said before, she also used the whole pieces of chicken because, she like the flavor with the bones. Yeah, chicken with the bones has more flavor, which it does, but she also used to say, be careful not to choke on the bone. So, but if you do it this way, like I stated earlier, you ain't got to worry about it. Look at that, y'all. Delicious. Now, if you wanted to, you can, like I said, you can add the can of mushrooms, some fresh mushrooms. Hook it up. Add any kind of vegetable you want to, peas. But they want it like this. Okay, y'all, this is our finished plate. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new here, welcome. Thanks for watching.